Are you excited? I'm really excited because we have something brand new today from Temp-tations. And what's extra exciting is because it's brand new, we have all the colors in stock right now. And you know, if you're a Temp-tations collector, you know that's not gonna last long. Hello, Woodland White, always the first to go. This is actually what I collect. So from Temp-tations, today they're bringing us a 3-piece cream and sugar set. Oh, maybe Pawfetti will be the first to go when we have Pawfetti. Yeah, if you're the little dog lover. Okay. I'm going to take you through all of them. I have them all here. We'll go through details, but first we're just going to show you on QVC.com. So we're going to break it up starting with our old world style. There it is in blue. 140 remain. There's confetti. That's what Tara Tesher collects. 160. There's green. 140. And red. 140. Then we'll move on to floral lace. Black. 140. There's blue, always very popular, 170. There's cranberry, 140. And same with the red, 140. Okay, those are the classics. Now the woodland, I knew it already going quickly. There's buttercream, 130. There's gray, 140. Slate blue, 140. And the winter white, 300. Don't sleep on that. Okay, then we're gonna move on to Doodle Doo. Oh, I'm gonna do Doodle Doo. Okay, we got Doodle Doo in red and in black. Tara Tesher taught me, by the way, that it's good luck to have roosters in the kitchen. Did you know this? Okay. Now in the red, fewer than 200. In the black, 140. And then we have seasonals. Pawfetti. 220 remain in Pawfetti. Winter Whimsy with all your favorite characters. 150, and then poinsettia, 150. So we got it all for you. But if you are a Temp-tations collector, you know that's not gonna last very long, especially that Pawfetti, and especially the woodland, especially in the white. This is what I collect. Okay, so this is under the tree guarantee, and today is the last day. So if you're a collector or someone you know is a collector, I am calling all coffee and tea lovers right now, because this is done in their classic stoneware, which means the versatility. This goes in the dishwasher. This goes in the microwave. This can go in the refrigerator, the freezer, or even the oven because it's oven safe up to 500 degrees. I'm gonna show you on the Pawfetti just because it's cute. I always think when I see Pawfetti, and this is what I have gifted to people in the past and will again this year, my dog walkers, my dog sitters, my the daycare that little hut goes to. I love this for them, especially it gets so cold in there. So you're getting all 3 pieces. You start off with the sugar bowl, and the sugar bowl has 2 cute little handles on the side, that little lid on the top, so you can fill this up with your favorite sugars, or if it's sugar packets, maybe stevia. This is gonna be great for you right there. Put that to the side so I can show you this great oversized creamer. This little creamer pitcher. Look at that spout, it's gonna pour really, really beautifully. It has like this great handle that it almost naturally pours. This is also great, by the way, for like syrup. It's because you can pop it in the microwave. You can put your syrup in here for like your Christmas morning pancakes, and then you have nice warm syrup. And then you get this great plate as well that it all nestles on top of. But this is so versatile. You're gonna use this for snacks, for cookies, for entertaining. But think about at the end of that holiday meal, everybody's settled down and you inevitably ask, coffee, tea, anyone? This is what you're gonna bring out. And yes, you're actually not gonna have to bring it out because it's so cute and pretty enough that it's out year round. This is actual, not just, you know, functional. I'm gonna call this decor as well, because that's the Temp-tations way. They are all about centertaining, as they say. We feast with our eyes first, and this is a great way to have a little conversation starter. I just wanna look at the plate here. I wanna look at this one because I've never seen this before today, because it's brand new today. Look at all the little characters, little elf bear tea, Mr. Bojangles. Oh, what's his name? Anyone remember? Oh, I'm losing on the quiz right now. I love how this has the really beautiful red piping on the handles here, and the same when you get down to the sugar bowl. There's Penny the Penguin, I remember her. Gumdrop. Why can't I remember the name of the reindeer right now? Oh, there's even Santa. Hi, Santa. Little red, it's like a little cherry red top here, and then all of your favorite friends are here on the plate as well. So this will get home in time for Christmas and maybe in time for maybe Santa's cookies to be put out on. Okay, I'm not shocked. These are going very, very quickly. And remember, you can even put this in the oven to warm things up. Can we go through all the different options again? Okay, let's do it. You want to start on QVC.com? All right, let's start with Old World. There's blue, about 100 now remain. Wow, these are going quickly. Confetti, 140. Green, 120. Red, 130. Floral lace, here's the red, 120. Cranberry, 120. Blue, 140. And we also have it in the black, 140. All right, Woodland. I knew it, going quickly. There's buttercream, 120. Gray, 120. Slate blue, 140. And then I knew it, the white is going really fast. Only 170, didn't we start with 300? Okay, so if that's in your cart, give us a call, 800-500-7590. That is the QVC hotline to get to the front of the line. Okay, we also have Doodle Doo in red and in black. I love the black, by the way. I don't know if I've seen it in black. About 150 in each. Then we have your seasonals with Pawfetti, fewer than 200. Here is your, what are we calling this? Winter Whimsy, thank you, Winter Whimsy. And then here is your poinsettia as well. Always all three of those really, really popular. Brand new today, it's H440453 and $7.99 for all three pieces to get it home. All right, we have